Well, I was going through some of the apps they already had out there, and I realized that Windows already has an app where you can like mirror your PC on your phone, but they don't have things like copying files or deleting files when you're either moving or sharing or even printing files that you have on your desktop. So I was thinking that you can improve on the idea, like when you first log into your computer, it has the login screen, so that way not anybody can come in and like look at your desktop when you're going up. Then when you log in, you see your actual desktop when you get on the phone, and you see your files, anything that you have right there. So you can access your documents, your music, your pictures, things that you downloaded, the trash bin, and photos like my computer. And this is all here on the taskbar. When you get there, you can open up these files and pretty much take them with you wherever you go. It's like a second flash drive. Say, for instance, you got onto a flight or you're in a taxi already and you need something for work or school, and you decided you forgot that at home on your desktop. You can pull it up here and you'll have access to it instantly. When you open it up, you can have the option to like copy the file. Say, for instance, you have something on your computer, you let somebody at your house and you don't want them seeing it, you can maybe delete the file or put a lock protection on it so that way they can't access it, and that's that. Then things like
you want to put those on the screen at all?
Oh no, okay. It's just notes.
Oh, okay, all right.
And then this is like, say this is your desktop, you can go in, you can see all of this, and it will look just like the desktop. It's just that you're holding it in your hand like a phone. Now I realize that Windows already does have a program like this, but they don't have in-depth features. You just look at the screen, you interact with it, and that's all you can. You move the files, copy anything. So it's like I said earlier, second flash drive for you. Copying files, if you need to get a file from the computer, you open it up just like you would on that desktop, and it has the screen for you to have the option to copy it. When you copy it, you can do whatever you want to it. I actually had an idea for printing the actual files, and that would have to be through a Wi-Fi printing. So I know people have heard of Wi-Fi printing, like the Wi-Fi printers. When you get the file, you can print it. Now, with this idea, I was thinking of certain features being free for this app, and then certain features you have to pay for a deluxe version, you could say. Like for just accessing and looking at your desktop, maybe that would be free, and then for all the extra stuff, you have to pay a 99-cent charge. That way, you do make a profit from it. The hope for this app is to let you work on a project while you're on the go, and not have to worry about, oh, I have to take this with me, or I have to take this external hard drive with me, and I got to worry about grabbing that. It's all in one device and one app. Now, and then here's another thing. When you open up the app, you got to search through all that stuff. Say, for instance, it's just one file you want to keep, and you want to hold on to that. So when you get to the place you have to go, you can either print it or do whatever you want to. You can actually take that file and pin it to your home screen, so that when you click on it, you go directly to that instead of going all the way through the program again, going through the files, searching here, searching there. And also, I want to have an easy search. Like when you open up the file, the app, there's a search box right here. So you type in keywords, and it will show you everything that has that name to the file. And that's pretty much it.
It's cool. It seems technically challenging, but it's technically challenging for me.
So do you have are you like a programmer by trade?
Well, I'm only 16, but I do know
right.
I do know very many programmers. I know people
who
are in this industry. Actually, my aunt and uncle work a lot with computers, so I can have them help me out.
Yeah, you'll run into just a few technical limitations in the platform. There's no real general just file system. You just have your local-based stuff, so you'll have to kind of restrict to just opening up files that it understands, like office documents and images and things like this.
Because I know,
just raw file access.
So, like, for instance, like me personally, sometimes I have 3 different programs. Like I have Open Office or LibreOffice, and then I have Microsoft Word. When I open those files, it asks me to convert them to whatever's on the computer.
Right.
Do you think that would be a problem?
It probably would, yeah. The phone platform itself is only going to understand the certain formats.
Okay.
PDFs, images, Office documents. You may be able to set up some kind of server-side conversion to do that. You're getting into, some complications with that, so you might have to bump it beyond the 99 cents. That's right. That's the return, but yeah, that could probably be done.
So, yeah, this is I think your monetization model that makes a lot of sense. This is the kind of app that I would say it's not, ad revenue doesn't make a lot of sense, but because we're not spending a lot of time in the app, it's really more of a panic sort of app. Crap, I gotta get my stuff on my PC right now, but I'm not gonna use it for a long period of time.
So I know there's apps like this for like the iPhone, iPad and such. What I don't know, I know their viewports into your computer.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know if those apps can actually transfer data back
No,
and
they
forth.
can't.
So I'm thinking through, I don't even know how you would do that here, to be honest with you. Unless,
Well, my phone, it doesn't allow me to access my desktop, but when I hook it up to it, I can take a file, drag it into the phone, and I can actually print that out or do things with. My thinking was, if I can do that when it's hooked up to the computer, I can do that when it's not hooked up to the computer.
So you have to build like some sort of proxy somewhere out there to make that happen.
Yeah.
that's true. Yeah, definitely. Microsoft will have that internal server. Yeah.
That's cool. So one of the things, it's really cool that you came out tonight. It's cool that you're 16, you're thinking about this kind of stuff. Like, I'm a huge fan of that kind of thing. So thanks for coming out and checking out the event. And beyond just pitching, thanks for pitching apps and thinking about building apps and starting something up. So yeah, thanks.